last time on Sailing Joco.
We've got our oatmeal and the captain and coffee, and we're ready to rock and roll. Just a little monumental update for right now. I'm not wearing a toque, and I'm not that cold. I'm liking this. Okay, it's been a pretty uneventful motor down to Yorktown area. We were going to go down to Sarah Creek, but then we're going to have some pretty crazy winds on, well, tomorrow and Sunday, so we decided that we'll just go to another anchorage that's a bit more protected. And let's take a look at what we're dealing with today. There's like no wind, overcast, gray, no waves. It's just pretty chill. So we're in our bay for the weekend due to some incoming weather. And people around here have decorated their docks with Christmas lights. How pretty. Another one over there. Okay, good morning. This morning we woke up to frost everywhere. Awesome. Jeff is over there pulling up the anchor. You have to be careful as you walk down the side of the boat because it's very icy. Whoa, we gotta get out of here. Seriously, look at all this frost. We have to clear out the windows too. We can't really see too much. We cleared these ones. Okay, we are officially sailing. We're having that breakfast pizza again for our breakfast. It's delicious. How are you feeling, Jeffy? Was that a thumbs up? Alrighty. You heard it here first, folks. Okay, we were just sailing for about an hour and a half, but then we had to make a turn, and so we will be directly into the wind. So, we turned the engine on, that's okay. It's pretty cool over here. All these houses along the shore. Helicopter coming in.
Freaking like Apache or something.
Black Hawk down!
Look at the exhaust coming out of that guy.
Yeah, gross.
Crazy.
He's coming right for us, babe.
It's like 4, 3, 2 on the front of it. Oh yeah.
We have Warship 7 coming up our rear. Oh, it's coming close. It's coming into Norfolk, and here's another ship doing something. We think there's one here, and there's one over here. There's 4 total. And this guy had his water blaring everywhere earlier too. We think that maybe they're like welcoming Warship 7, which is really close to us now. How do you feel, Jeff, with being that close to Warship 7?
First time operating in a major harbor like this, complete with a military base on this boat. And of course, a warship has to gun us down.
Helicopters everywhere.
Yeah, and then surrounded by these giant tugboats, all
Yeah.
with the name Moran in there. And I was like, what's going on? They're all spraying water in there.
Yeah.
And now they've grabbed him and taken him in.
Yeah, they're going in there.
To the right with the other one.
Yeah. Huge! Oh my goodness. scary. Wow, there's so much to look at. Look at this hospital ship.
Comfort.
Wow. Crazy. And that warship 7 anchored over there.
Almost tucked to bed.
Yeah. So many things going on along here. We're in the big city now. We made it to Norfolk. We're at Hospital Point, anchored in this bay. It's very beautiful. One boat over yonder. And this is what our view is. Over here is the USS Wisconsin. There's a museum. Wow. What a view. At mile marker 0 for the ICW. Woohoo! Hello, hello. We are in the Dinghy. We are headed to shore in Norfolk, and we're going to be going to the customs office in order to check ourselves into the state. After that, we're going to have a shower. Woohoo! Waterside Marina. And I think that's kind of it.
That's kind of it, yeah.
Yeah. It's a little bit wavy today, a little bit more wind than last night, but still good. So we cannot go to it. We've heard good things. Holy shit, babe.
Yeah.
Look at those guns.
This sucker was in Iwo Jima.
Woo! Wow. We made it into the marina area. Downtown. Whoa. Hotel, Tap House, nice. And we're gonna be going down there to tie up.
My dinghy is the size of his boat. I'm just kidding.
It's coming close.
Yeah, he's just enjoying himself. All the way. Yeah, nice. Yeah, this looks great.
I can't believe it. You're about the second or third person that's ever recognized it. Most people say that it looks like a Drascom or something like that.
I'm surprised I got it right, but that's great. Enjoy it.
Holy moly! We came outside and look at this going on. Huge!
Like I was off at the marina earlier.
We have a new neighbor. He was? Ooh.
Thor confident.
Wow.
Next time on Sailing Joco.
Okay, we just made it into the Great Bridge Lock. We barely made it in time. Captain doing a great job.